Caliper usage. The caliper is 3 measurement tools in one. You can measure outside, inside, depth, and length. This is a quick example using the outside micrometer to measure the diameter of a bolt. We will now demonstrate how to use the depth tool to measure the length of this bolt. This bolt measures 1 inch and 975 thousandths of an inch. The inside micrometer is being demonstrated to show how to measure the inside diameter of a bushing. The technician is making sure that the bushing is square on the caliper before reading the value. This bushing has an inside diameter of 1 inch and 512 thousandths of an inch.